The iQOO Neo 10, launched in December 2024, is a high-performance smartphone that balances flagship capabilities with affordability. It features a 6.78-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it offers robust performance suitable for demanding applications and gaming. The device comes in various configurations, including up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, catering to diverse user needs. Its 6,100 mAh battery supports 120W fast charging, ensuring extended usage with minimal downtime. The camera setup includes a 50MP Sony IMX921 main sensor with optical image stabilization, complemented by an 8MP ultra-wide lens, providing versatile photography options. Running on Origin OS 5 based on Android 15, the iQOO Neo 10 delivers a user-friendly interface with the latest software enhancements.